Okay, so we're going to look at perimeter and area. So we're going to mainly look at rectangles today, but essentially what a perimeter is the, sorry I spelled that wrong, the sum of a shape's sides. Shapes, sides. So all that means is if we had a rectangle that looks like this, and we wanted to find the perimeter, it's this side plus this side plus this side plus this side. So let's just say that this is 5 centimeters and this is 6 centimeters. The perimeter would be 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 6, which is equal to 10 plus 12, which is 22 centimeters. It's pretty straightforward, that one. The perimeter is just adding up all the sides. As we know, a rectangle has 2 equal sides, so these sides are equal and these sides are equal. So if you get a question that looks like this, say it says, find the perimeter of this rectangle, okay? Well, because it's a rectangle, we know that this side is going to be the same, so it's going to be 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 4, which is 18 centimeters, okay? That's basically the perimeter. It's just the sum of the sides. Pretty straightforward. Area, then. The area. Okay, so the area is the amount of surface within a shape. So it's the amount of surface. Surface within a shape. So again, we look at a rectangle that is 5 and 4, say. The area is this bit in the middle. This is the area of that rectangle. It's how much space it covers. If we were to put that down, if we were to pretend like this is like a garden maybe, a very, very tiny garden, 5 centimeters by 4 centimeters. But if you were to imagine this as a garden, the area of this is the amount of space we have, essentially. We call the two sides the length. This is called the length. And this is called the width. And area is simply length by width. So all we have to do is multiply 5 centimeters times 4 centimeters, and we get 20 centimeters. It's pretty straightforward. Let's just take a practical example. We use one of these again. This is just a normal post-it note. Let's do a bit of measurement on it. So this, if we measure it perfectly, is exactly 7.5 centimeters long. Something tells me this might be square, so we're probably going to get the same on this side. Yeah, this is also 7.5 centimeters. So what's the area of this? The area should equal 7.5 times 7.5. And that will equal, calculator here, 7.5 times 7.5 is 56.25. Now something I've realized I missed up here is this meant to be squared. So when we find the area of something, we're finding this, the units change. So it changes to a centimeter squared. Centimeter squared. That's really, really important that you remember that, centimeter squared. If we were, say, doing, maybe let's think about an actual garden, and let's draw a little house and everything. So we've got the back of the house here, okay, and then you've got this garden that goes on for, let's say, 10 meters by 6 meters, okay? So you've got a 10 by 6 garden. We want to find out how much area we have here, because say we want to put down some grass over all of it. We want to find out how much grass do we need, how much meters squared of grass do we need. So all you have to do is 10 meters by 6 meters, because the area is equal to 10 by 6, which is 60 meters squared. So don't forget that's squared, really important. And that's pretty much area and perimeter. So perimeter is just the addition of the sides, and the area is just the middle bit, so it's the length by the width.